Today we are going to talk about herpes zoster. It is an acute vesicular eruption due to the varicella zoster virus. It usually occurs in adults and incidence rises with age. Dermatomal herpes zoster is common, while generalized disease raises the suspicion of an associated immunosuppressive disorder such as HIV infection. HIV infected patients are 20 times more likely to develop zoster. Now, clinical findings. First of all, pain usually precedes the eruption by 48 hours or more and may persist after the lesions have disappeared. The lesions consist of grouped dense, deep-seated vesicles distributed unilaterally along a dermatome. The most common distributions are on the trunk or face. Up to 20 lesions may be found outside the affected dermatome, even in immune-competent persons. And regional lymph nodes may be tender and swollen. Now, complications of the herpes zoster. Sacral zoster may be associated with bladder and bowel dysfunction. Persistent neuralgia may be there, anesthesia or scarring of the affected area, facial or other nerve paralysis may occur, encephalitis may occur. Post-herpetic neuralgia is most common after involvement of trigeminal region and in patients with age above 55. Zoster ophthalmicus can result in visual impairment. Increased risk of transient ischemic attack and stroke has also been demonstrated. How can we prevent it? Live herpes zoster vaccine Zostavax is available and recommended to prevent both herpes zoster and post-herpetic neuralgia. It is approved for persons over the age of 50 and in persons age 60 and older, even in those who had zoster. Now, treatment. First of all, for immunocompetent host, antiviral treatment within 72 hours of rash decreases the duration and severity of acute herpes zoster. Treatment can be given with either oral acyclovir 800 mg 5 times daily or famciclovir 500 mg 3 times daily or valacyclovir 1 gram 3 times daily. All are given for 7 days. Patient should maintain good hydration. The dose of antiviral should be adjusted for kidney function as recommended. Nerve blocks may be used in the management of initial severe pain. Ophthalmologic consultation is vital for involvement of the first branch of trigeminal nerve, even if the patient has no ocular symptoms. Systemic corticosteroids are effective in reducing the acute pain, improving quality of life. Oral corticosteroids do not reduce the prevalence, severity, or duration of the post-herpetic neuralgia. Adequate analgesia, including the use of opioids, tricyclic antidepressants, gabapentin, as necessary, should be given for zoster-associated pain. And at the end, for immunocompromised host, antiviral treatment should be continued until the lesions have completely crusted and healed, like up to 2 weeks. Corticosteroids increase the risk of dissemination in immunosuppressed patients, should not be used in these patients. Progression of disease may necessitate intravenous therapy with acyclovir 10 mg per kg IV 3 times daily. After 3 to 4 days, oral therapy started if good response seen. Foscarnet administered in a dosage of 40 mg per kg 2 or 3 times daily IV is indicated for treatment of acyclovir resistant varicella zoster virus infections. Now, what local measures we can adopt? Calamine or aluminium salt compresses may be helpful for dry weeping lesions. Post-herpetic neuralgia therapy. Prevention with vaccination of those at risk for developing zoster and early and aggressive antiviral therapy once zoster has occurred. Post-herpetic neuralgia may be treated with abscessin ointment 0.025 to 0.075% or lidocaine topical patches. Chronic cases are treated with regional blocks with or without corticosteroids added to the injections. Other options include tricyclic antidepressants like amitriptyline, gabapentin up to 3600 mg orally daily, starting at 300 mg orally 3 times daily. Next option is duloxetine up to 60 to 120 mg daily orally, starting at 30 to 60 mg orally daily. May be added for additional pain relief. Now, what is the prognosis of this disease? The eruption persists for 2 to 3 weeks and usually does not recur.